start. Ah! Okay, okay, okay. We have it now. Zero, 4, 0, 2, 7. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is our live session. We have a lot to talk about today. It's going to be extremely. Um, I hope you guys are going to enjoy what I'm going to teach over here because it's going to be very, very important to discuss a lot of things over here. Let me just fix my ring light. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I hope everyone can see me very well, very well. Now let's begin from there. So I would like to begin from the fundamentals analysis and then we see about how things are going really on the trading market. It's okay. So it's going to be a lot I'm going to talk over here. There's going to be a lot I'm going to talk over here. Charts, you guys are welcome to this studio. Okay, I'm fixing a lot of things like good, good. I hope time is not gone. Time is not gone, right? Good. So let's go to trading view. No, I'm not going to trading view right now. Let's go to flowing, okay, and see do some analysis over there at flowing. We have some analysis to do at flowing. Let me drag it from here. So if somebody may be asking what is flowing used for, flowing is used for not following. Flowing, I say flowing, not following. So flowing is used for tracking meme coins news, okay. If you want to see anything concerning Web3, anything concerning the every fundamentals about Web3, let me share this live to my people, my page, my YouTube page, my Facebook page. And let me share this live to my YouTube page. Guys, this is flowing. Flowing is for is anything about anything about so anything about Web3, cryptocurrency, you know, you get it on flowing. Okay, you just have to live and I'm typing on my YouTube that my Telegram page live now. We are live now. We are going to do a lot of stuff. We have only just 1 hour to spend over here. 1 o'clock I'm done and then I'm good. Okay, yeah, 1 o'clock I'm done and I'm gone. At least 1 o'clock I'm done and I'm gone. Guys, pardon me. Okay, I have to share this. I have to share it out. Please, wherever you're watching me from, kindly do what to share this live broadcast for me. Share it to someone to be a blessing to someone. Share it, share it, share it. Wherever you're watching me from, kindly do what to share it now. Just tap and share it now. Then we go and see what is next in this market. Now, I'm beginning from the fundamentals of cryptocurrency, and then we talk small about the market analysis and then the technical analysis, and we see what is going to happen right now, right next. Okay, so this is the first one. We have a dog. We have it lands on multiple platforms soon, and let me see this. I think it's quite interesting. I wasn't interested, but let me see this. So with dog, which is dog launching on multiple platforms soon, is the market betting on new highs. So this is a meme coin that they are going to launch. Okay, this is a meme coin. Let me just bring my mic. Hello, can you hear me? So this is a meme coin that they are going to launch right now on the crypto space, and then the meme coin space. I mean that's what I'm trying to mean, the meme coin space. So let me read what happened. Dog, a leading meme coin in the Bitcoin ecosystem, recently announced its upcoming listing on multiple trading platforms, attracting significant market attention. So Dog, you go and check Dog. Let's go to the screener. We don't know what dog is. Okay, we don't know what dog actually is. So that's what I do. We do check the when there, I mean the news before we come to the technical analysis market. Now we've opened this screen over here. Now let's go back to our news right now and see what is going on. So trading volume on platform like MEXC sealed within 12 hours. So sealed within 12 hours, while major market makers and wallets suddenly went silent with no large transfer in 14 hours, indicating that major funds are either observing the market or accumulating position in the short term. Now, even this coin, if I see that it's performing good, I would like to buy it. Yeah, I would like to buy it and then place it there for some reason. So community sentiment is high and social media bases continue to climb. That is market sentiment. What is happening in the market? With widespread bet that dog will break all-time high. The project team emphasizes no VC funding, no pre-sale, and 100% airdrop, reinforcing its fair and just label further fooling retail investors. So fear of missing up is inside. Fear of missing out is inside. Guys, you should check it out. If you are to my live, okay, so guys, you are welcome to my live, or share your ideas with me here. Now this is what is going to happen in the dog market segment. That is what is going to happen right now, and that is what it is trending. So let's go to um this screen and see what dog is doing right now. Then we are going to do some analysis and see what dog. Is it dogs or dog? Let me see. Well, dog. We have dogs and we have dog. Now dog, we have crypto dog. We have now this is what we are going to see. Okay, in type dog, there are so many dogs over here. Dog, 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 dog. Okay, dog, 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 dog. There are so many dogs here. But the thing made a specific. Okay, it says that dogs on what Bitcoin. Now let's see. So a leading meme coin in a Bitcoin ecosystem. Dog. Okay, so in a leading Bitcoin in a Bitcoin ecosystem, let's search for Bitcoin, the one which has Bitcoin. Okay, I'll show you which one has Bitcoin. We are not USDC. Dog in Bitcoin. Dog in Bitcoin. We are going. Is Solana Pop Bitcoin. Now we have dog in Bitcoin. This is the dog in Bitcoin. Okay, this is the dog in Bitcoin. We have this dog as a dog in Bitcoin. Now let's go to the news again, because we want to be sure that this is what we are on it. Now let's see. Okay, so let's see if we can spot something here. Multiple platform. So dog, this is the dog. Okay, it's on. The price is 87. Now let's come here. Which dog is that? Dog 87. So this is the dog that I'm talking about. Dog in Bitcoin. This is the one I'm talking about. This one. Hope you understand this one, guys. Hope you get what I'm trying to mean. Good. This is the Solana. This dog on Solana dog, and there is also dog on Pops dog, but they are all the same. Okay, they are all the same. Just yeah, so they are all the same. And then which one am I going for? I'm going for the one with higher liquidity. Let's go for this one. Let's see what the market holds for us. Now let's see what is going on over here. Why is it that there are so many sellers in the market? I think I'm seeing sellers. Okay, so buyers are more than the sellers. 37 buyers and then 15 volume of 108 and sell volume of 34. Now it means that buyers are getting in more than the sellers. Now this is what I want to check. If it comes to meme coin like this, scroll, see the performance. The performance is very, very interesting. We all know how this coin came about. I'm going to mention some coins over here. Paddy Pingu, Trump. So these two coins, and I remember Trump was around $1, a dollar. Was not even up to a dollar. Trump was not even up to a dollar. Eh? And I asked some people to buy Trump because I know that Trump was going to perform very, very well. I'm just talking from experience. About 6 to 7 months, no, let me say 6 to 8 months, I saw Trump coin on about $8 to a coin, and I was like, what? I know one guy who made about $100 with $10. Just few months, he made about $100 per coin. Not just, is it per coin? $100. Yeah, he made $100 from with just $10. And another one too was making $100 per coin. I don't know the amount of that the guy invested, but he was making $100 per coin. So that is it. And since then, I have not joked with my technical analysis. Even if I find a coin right now with at least $1 or 1 cent, I'll buy. I'll have to try and buy. Hope you guys get what I'm trying to move over here. Yeah, with at least 1 cent, I have to try and buy because I know very well that my technicals don't fail sometimes. Not like I'm 100%. I do feel at least $1 or 1 cent, I'll buy. I'll have to try and buy. Yes, not like I don't feel, but I do feel. Okay, I can make mistakes. Sometimes I can make mistakes, and then it's like it's normal. I hope you understand what I'm trying to mean. It's normal. It's normal to make mistakes. Yeah, sometimes you're not 100%, so you can make mistakes. Now let's see about what I'm trying to talk about here. So I'm going to add this coin to my watch list. Compare or add symbol. I want to add this coin to my watch list. Where is the coin? Now, so I'll add this coin to my watch list, and then I will see how to go about it. Now let's see some of the things that I do check when I'm going to um, you know buy it. You see, this coin, nobody has an idea of how it's going to blow or it's going to perform well, but well, let's see. So mintable, it says no, and then freezable, it says no. These two means that the coin cannot be freeze in your wallet. There are some coins that when you have them right now, okay, it can be freeze. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to mean. It can be freeze. The developer can freeze the coin from it, like, let me explain for you to understand very well. Like, let's say you have made $1,000 from the coin, and let's say the coin is performing very well. Like this coin, let me use this coin for real. If this coin is performing very well, and like, let's say you invested here, okay, you invested here. Let me just full screen it. What I'm trying to mean feasible is what I'm trying to explain for you to understand what I'm trying to mean over here. So if the coin maybe invested here like $10 and then you cut some profit over here, okay, this is where you take your profit. Let me change the color to yellow. You took your profit over here. So maybe at this point where you are going to take your profit over here, at this point, like invested from this point to this point, and then you are expecting the price to reach this point, and then all of a sudden your account get freezed, of which you can't even withdraw your money, or your account get freezed of which you can't even withdraw your money. Means that your account has been freezing, like they have freeze your account. So this means you can't withdraw the money unless whatever has to happen on the market happens. That's what I'm trying to mean over here. But now when you check about this coin, it is not feasible, it is not maintainable. Maintainable means that the money can't, the investor cannot withdraw his or her money anytime. Now let's see if there is a lock on this pair. Liquidity. Liquidity is not locked. Check over here. Liquidity is not locked. So still it's very risky to invest in this one. Yeah. Liquidity is not locked. So it feels very risky. Very, very risky to invest in this one. But you can check from the site. You can check, go to the site and check about it. So the one meme coin doc, free and fair, permissible and then bridgeable between Ruins and Solana. The bridge use the trust, and then you can read more about it. You can go to the website and then read more about it. Okay, but this coin, I'm not calling it red flag, but I'm not calling it red flag, but I'm tagging it red flag because it is a bit some ways questionable. Okay, now let's go to the next thing I want to talk about. What is the next thing to talk about? So a shooting occurred at the White House correspondent dinner. Yeah, this news has been trending recently. If you don't know about this news, go and watch it very well. This, it was an attempt, I don't know, was to a short attempt to assassinate the president Donald Trump. Okay, so Trump is a crypto associate with former US President Donald Trump. A shooting occurred at the White House correspondent dinner. The suspect, Cole Allen, entered the security area armed with Trump and his government officials suspect as his target. The shooter had repeatedly made an anti-Trump statement on social media, and the security measures at the scene were questioned after the incident. So former intelligence officers believe the incident may have been orchestrated or due to security lapse lapsing. So Trump himself used the opportunity to emphasize the necessity of security in the new White House ballroom and claimed the shooter had anti-Christian tendencies. So this is what is going on. And then since this happened, I think Trump coin has not been performing well. Trump coin has not been performing well. Yeah, Trump coin. This is Trump coin. Trump coin. Okay, okay, okay. So there has been increase. Trump coin was recently $1, just $1. It was recently just $1, $1. I don't, was it? Is it this coin I'm on? Let me check it well. Yeah, there is a coin. Official Solana. Okay. Okay, so let's see. It was recently $1. So I don't know how it's going to happen if it is the news. Okay, so maybe it can skyrocket again to at least $3 or something like that. Now this is what I have to. I have few minutes left. Let me go to my my next important lesson to talk about. I'm done with flowing. Let me go to this, the most important aspect for me. Let me just do some technical analysis and see what is going on right here. How many people are watching me on Facebook? In fact, how many people are watching me on Facebook? Hey, no one. Wow, not even a one. Oh. Guys, this is so strange. Not even a one. No problem. No problem. I get it. How many people are watching me on YouTube? Let me see. The YouTube. How many people are watching me on YouTube? Can you see from YouTube? Now let's go. Good. Now I prefer going in for the dark one. Yeah, I prefer being dark. You know, because the dark is better than. I don't want any bullshit. Guys, you hear me? I don't want any bullshit. Now SRP, Bitcoin is climbing a top high. I'm expecting this is what I'm expecting in the market right now this week. And maybe there'll be a breakout, but there might not be a breakout. This is what was happening recently. We'll go to one day. It's getting guys, it's getting interesting, bro. It's getting interesting. Let me show you guys. So this is the what I believe in. I believe in making everything simple for you to understand very well. Okay, I believe in making things very simple for you to understand. Now let me go to this thing, break it very down for you, make it very simple for you. Now this is the higher high. Okay, I'll talk about that. Let me just mark it as higher high, put it red over there, and then this is the lowest low. I believe in making things simple for understanding, very perfection. How did I get this? Okay, so I drew this long time ago, making things perfect. Okay, this is the lowest low. You should understand very well. This is the lowest of it all. Okay, the lowest of it all. Now let me just flag it some kind of color. Yellow. Yellow is good. Uh, Yellow is good. Okay, so that is the lowest of it all. Okay, don't forget I'm on 1 day time frame. That day one time frame. We are doing this kind of analysis, and then this is the highest high. Now this is the high. This higher high happened around on 15th January 2026. Okay, and then this lower low happens on 5th February 2026. I want you to understand very well and see we are trying checking the market analysis and see how the market is going right now. Thank you for liking my video. God bless you so much. You are such an amazing. So this is what we are going to. I'm trying to let you know, understand. I'm making it very simple. Okay, wherever you're watching me from, making it very very simple. Now see this. When you take this triangle, you're going to understand that. Make this the support. Okay, mark this as a resistance. That's the first stage. Now when it was falling to this side, there was something over here. It created another resistance over here and then support over here. Now I want you to understand that this place, okay, that place, let me just good. I need the most. You can make I add you to my favorite because I always use you. Okay, so this place, okay, became something that is called shrink. Okay, that is called a shrink. So if I zoom into the 4 hour time frame, prefer this way, and I come to a place like this, it's going to reveal. Don't worry. Good. You see that? You see that it is climbing downstairs. Okay. Good. You see that it is climbing downstairs. Now, this is what you have to understand when it comes to this kind of analysis. You have this first string. Okay, over here, string it to this place. We call it string, and then we have the second string. I don't know if I don't know how the different um traders will call it. But me, to me, I call it my string. I call it string. The reason why I'm using this triangle is for you to understand what I'm trying to mean. Now someone will say um higher low. We have higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, or some lower high or something like that. But this is not lower high, this is not higher low, this is shrink. Okay, I'm definitely trying to explain it very well for you to understand. This is shrink. It forms something called shrink. Shrink means that there was a pullback. Okay, when something forms shrink, it means that there was a pullback. Let me understand. Let me let you understand very well. Let me come to this. I'm coming. Hold on. Let me just use this same thing. It's same thing. I want you to understand whatever I'm teaching right here for you to how do I hide it? Good. Now let me go to the market for you to understand. When something happens like this, okay, something like this. Now somebody will say that this is um uh let's name this place higher low, okay, higher low, and then this one will be lower low. Is it lower low or lower high? This one will be higher high, right? So higher high. Guys, if I'm making mistake, you should alert me. And then this one will be higher low, right? Because the reason why it's higher low because it's higher and then at the same time lower as compared to the rest. Okay, so here when you come here, it comes to is it higher low, right? I don't know if I'm wrong. If I'm not wrong, higher low, and then it comes again lower. Is it lower high? We have lower high. I don't. Where's my book? I think I have to go back to my trading courses because it's been a while. I've been. This one is this thing is definitely for okay. Higher time frame. My time frame. How many viewers are we having right now? We're having almost. How many viewers are we having right now? How many viewers are we having right now? Still not in this book. I think it should be in the other book. Okay, so higher low. This one will be higher low too. So higher low because definitely higher low, and definitely this one will be higher low too. I think so. Definitely, if I'm wrong, you can comment at the comment section to correct me over there. And then so will it be to the end. Now, this is what you have to understand, that the market creates something that is called swing. Swing is like, you know, something like something like this. Okay, something like this. Some will call it FVG, some will call it the bros, some will call it the some will call it FVG, some will call it the BOS, some will call it, some have different way of calling it. But to me, I call it the string. Okay, to my understanding, I call it the string because I have to get an understanding of because the string is like, it comes here, pullback. There's a pullback, and then it comes down. Okay, this is called a pullback. Okay, the pullback because it comes to a level where it is supposed to find a support. Okay, and then it goes back again, it bounces back again to its maximum its actual direction. That's what I'm trying to mean. So this is what happens. Okay, when you want to understand the market very well, you should know about this kind of stars, because this kind of stars, if you see most traders are using this to win trades a lot. If you don't understand this, you're going to lose a lot in the market. Yeah, now this is what I'm trying to mean. Okay, so it's formed like this, it comes down here, pull back here, pull back here, pull back here, pull back here, and then someone will call this like this is a ranging market. Sorry, this is a downtrend market. Okay, this is a downtrend market. Some will call this a downtrend market. Other will call it when it comes to it reversal, like if it itself it's going like, let me put it this way, this uptrend market. No, you get me. And then there is downtrend market, and then when it comes to something like this, so this is ranging market. Now you have to know about all these stuff. So this is ranging, this is downtrend, this is uptrend, this is how it goes. It goes like this goes like this, it goes like this. So this is the type of market that we have. Now right now, what I'm trying to explain for you to understand is that the strength, it can be formed. Okay, this can be formed. Remove all drawings. It can be formed. Okay, it can be formed like that. Now when the market forms like that, that is why you got to have this, just like I'm showing you right here. Where is my distance? Oh yeah. Now this is what you have to use to cut the move from the next. I'm showing you something simple, because this thing, you see that something very simple. If you understand this very well, you are going to catch any trade that you want to, you know, you want to trade. Now it won't be surprised that Bitcoin or BTC can hit 95 actually this week. So I'm expecting BTC to to hit at least 95, maybe possible this week. This is what I'm expecting on the market, right? This is what I'm expecting on the market from this to climb here. So I'm expecting BTC to climb to at least 95 this week, but it's not going to go in all that like this, because there will be a pullback, there will be a bounce back, like a fall. That's what I'm trying to explain. There will be a fall before it reaches up to 98. Possibly it can be this week. Possibly it can be this week. Possibly it can be this week. Okay, it can be this week. And then the next target will be let's say the next target, possibly I say it can be this week. And then the next target will be to 106,000. So the next target for it after hitting here will be 106,000. But currently Okay, I'm expecting it after hitting here. I'm expecting a fall, a drop to. I'm expecting a drop, a bit drop. I'm not expecting huge drop, but I'm expecting a little drop from BTC. This is BTC analysis. Now let's go to the other market. Let's go to, let me check for SRP. SRP, we are not trading SRP this week. USD CAD, let's see for USD CAD, but I've done some analysis on SRP, so let me show you guys. You see, I've done some analysis on SRP. Now this trade, I wasn't following my technical analysis, like I wasn't following my fundamentals. I just took the trade to just test my analysis on 15 minutes time frame. So that's what I took the trade on. So this trade is what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for, the support is here. It's not, the support has not been broken still yet. The support has not been broken. This is the support I did. It hasn't been broken yet, and I'm expecting a rise to at least the top here, which is 1.5093 on XRP USDT. And it's possible because checking from the news that I've seen so far about from the meme coin space, I think it can be possible this week. Maybe it can be possible. Okay, just like BTC is possible this week, XRP can also be possible this week. This is what I'm expecting this week. Now let's go. Let me go to USD CAD. USD CAD, I've not been trading here for some time now. The USD CAD, this is what is going on. It is creating, this is what is called ranging market. You see, this is what is called ranging market. Up, down, up, down, down, up, down, something like this. It's what we call the ranging market. Guys, chat. I want your response. I want your response. You should say something in the chat comment. Comment something. Let me know your feedback. I need your feedback. Your feedback is very necessary. God bless you for watching me, and thank you very much for sharing it to someone to join me this day. I'm making it possible that we are going to be trading live. I don't think it will be every day, but I'm trying to, maybe if it should be every day, I'm trying my best. Okay, yeah. So there's an example of what I said. You see how it is on a day time frame. This is how it is. This is ranging, and it was this before it entered into ranging. That's how the market is. Let me show you. If you are new to the market, you have to understand that before it entered into ranging, it was uptrending. From here to this side, that is uptrend. Okay, from here to this side, that is an uptrend. Now I hope you understand what I'm trying to mean over here. Some will cross it like this. Let me cross it like this. Good. Now this is what is called ranging uptrend market. This is uptrend market, and then it was from uptrend. Now before it entered into uptrend, you should know that it was in downtrend. So from downtrend, and then it entered into uptrend. This USD CAD, it entered into uptrend, and then it entered into ranging. Now it is USD CAD is in ranging market. Okay, it's in ranging market on 1D time frame, which is one day time frame. Hope you guys understand what I'm trying to mean over here. Good. Now this is what it happens. So let me go to my view job. Don't worry. Almost 1 o'clock. I have to close. Now let's see what is going on. What is going on over here? So there was a sell and there was a pullback. So I'm expecting a sell to this side. That's what I'm expecting, a sell to this side. there was a sell, there was a pullback. So this thing has been clear to us that there's going to be a sell. So there's going to be definitely be a sell. There will definitely be a sell, and this sell has to happen fast before they, have to sell long it. You can long it to this side, and definitely to happen. Let me just put this one there as a challenge for myself, that I'm not placing this trade though. I'm not placing this trade though, but I'm just taking it as a challenge for myself that this longing is going to hit over here. Okay, just a challenge for myself. Let me mark it down. Now let's go to USD CHF and USD JPY. Sorry. Now very soon, you see, I'll be expecting. This is what I was expecting this week, and it actually did. He said this is what I was expecting this week, and it actually did. Just amazing. USB JPY. I didn't place the trade. Such amazing. Like, I told you guys that I know, if I know the market, I know the market. I know how the market is. So after the market was ranging from uptrend, no, before it gets to uptrend, it was what? Downtrend. This is what I mean saying. Downtrend, and then it was downtrend before it entered into uptrend, and then from uptrend it entered into ranging. Now this market is expected to sell to this point, so I'm expecting a sell, not this week, but definitely there should be a sell to this side. So USD JPY, USD you know USD CAD, there's going to be a sell. Definitely I'm expecting a sell here. And let's go. What again? GBP USD. Now GBP USD, and between GBP and USD, cool. GBP USD has been working very slow this week. It's been working very slow, because when you check here, this is my support level for GBP USD. This was my support level. At least there was a breakout. Definitely there was a breakout, and the breakout was supporting. Let me just break it here. Analyze the market like a pro, bro. So you see, there was a breakout there after the downtrend. There was a breakout, and then there was a pullback. This is the first pullback, and then there was a breakout that it pulls forward again, and then I was expecting the pullback to come to the same level of this second what do you call it? What do I call it? This second swing. That's the first swing. Sorry, that's the first swing. So this first swing, I was expecting a pullback to this first swing, and then it definitely came. So this is a right entry, of which I'm going to take my phone. Right now, I'm picking my phone to take my first entry for that. Okay, GBP USD. Sorry, GBP. This is GBP USD, and I'm taking my trade for that. I'm taking the trade of I should have to calculate the amount I'm supposed to risk and the amount I'm supposed to. So 2:6 is good. 2:6 or 2:8. So I'm expecting 2:8. To me myself, okay. Don't try if your money if your money is not enough to your account is not enough to hold this trade. Don't try, I beg. Don't try. For me, I'm expecting this. This is what I'm trying to. Where is my coin? GBP USD? GBP USD. It has been trading very slow this week, though. For real, it has been trading very slow this week. But Definitely expecting this. Oh, guys, what do you say? What do you say about what do you think? What do you think when here? How do you think GBP will perform? GBP. You can share it at the comment section. What do you think will happen to GBP USD? Guys, what do you think? Okay, so let me take my loss size is 0.1. 0.1. I'm going in 2 times. That's not like I'm not afraid. I'm taking risks. Risks must be calculated too. So 0.1 definitely in $1 loss. You see, I'm loss of $4 right now. So SL2, this is a free trade. This is a free trade I'm giving out. 4995. This is a free trade. What do you guys think? This is a free trade. 136200. Now the next one is, we set the same 134995. What is the time? Let me see. 1360. Good. Definitely running in some profit. Thinking of adding one again, but I'm not thinking of adding one again. Definitely, definitely. Yes, it running some profit. So I share it at the community. Let me share this at the community. Let me share this one to the community. Do your own analysis. Let me share this one to the Telegram community. Definitely, definitely. This is a free trade I'm giving you guys. Did I do some analysis over here? Or did I just said it? Okay, so GBP USD, I've done USD. Good, better as it is. Hey, Bro, did I just miss this trade? Fuck the hell, man. And I mean, so fucking bullshit. You're the 95. Bro, not gonna lie. This trade I have to take. What? USD card. Oh, what the fuck, man. It's not too late. No, it's not too late. Good. It's not too late. It's not too late. Place your SL to 137, right? 137. There's a swing trade though, I beg. If you don't know swing trade, this is a swing trade. Swing trade means long-term trade. Have I taken this picture? USD card. USD JPY, USD card. Guys, I'm going to end my life very soon because so just like I'm expecting by a sell here, I'm also expecting a buy here. That's the vice versa. Okay, I'm expecting a buy here and buy here. So that's the vice versa. Just like I'm expecting a sell here, I'm also expecting a buy here. Now, that is why you should know. I'm also expecting a buy here across this one. Okay, so because the reason why I'm expecting a buy here because the I use support and resistance. Support and resistance tells me that there's going to be a buy here. There's a support. There's a support here. That's one. There's support here. That is two. There's a support here. Sorry, there's a support here, but I'm not going to do it over there. There's a support here. That's four. Okay, yeah. And then the reason why this thing came down here is because of the news fundamental pull it back and then it came across this side. Has to continue. Just like the fundamentals pull it back. Let's check from the 1D time frame. Sometimes if you do analysis like this, you have to check confirm from the 1D time frames too. Yeah. So I'm expecting a high time, the odd time high is supposed to be this side before either this side or this side, the next side. This high or this high must be reached. Definitely, the two of them, one of them must reach. So that is what the reason why I am saying that this is what is going to happen. Because this week feels very strange for me, guys. This week feels very strange because I'm missing a lot. One of the things that I'm going to miss is SRP going to hit 1.5 per coin. That is what I'm going to miss. I'm fear of missing this. I'm feeling very fearful for missing this. SRP hitting 1.5 per coin. BTC heading to $880 stage. So this is what some of the things that I feared I'm going to miss this week. But if probably if I don't miss them, then we go trade. Because my account is too small to trade it. Very small. I mean very little small. You get what I'm trying to mean. Yeah, so let me take, let's do my analysis on This screen. Where is this screen? Yeah, yeah. Do my analysis over here and I'm gone for the day. I didn't talk about SAUSD, right? I'll do that. I'll do that right away. I'll do that. Don't worry, I'll do that. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please I beg you, do it for me. Kindly do it for me. Kindly do it for me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do it for me. This is my first time doing live session like this on YouTube. This is my first time doing live session like this on YouTube. I don't definitely do live sessions, but this is my first time trying my hands doing live trading like this on YouTube. This is my first time trying to do live session on YouTube. Somebody will say there are many traders. Why are you worrying yourself this time? Yeah, I have to, because we are all learning. You know, and it's not like the person knows much or is, I don't know how to say, but whatever you think, think. So let me do my last analysis. XAUSD. First of all, I would love to thank everyone who is watching me live. God richly bless you. God richly bless you. Let me search for. They said I saw that volatility is volatility volatility. Where is the good good. Very good. All the pairs in the river back. Oh, they are available here. All the pairs in the river. Now, guys, you can see it over here. All the pairs in the reef are available here, so you don't have to go to the reef app and struggle yourself. You have to come here. You have volatility index 75 over here, you have volatility 25 index over here, you have volatility 75 1 seconds index. Oh, all these are is amazing. It's amazing. Trading view, you are doing very well. You are doing very well for this collaboration. God bless you. Thank you very much. You guys are doing very well. Or show spread operators. Wow, you guys are doing very amazing. You guys are doing very amazing. Now let me go to my gold. This is good. This is good. Are you expecting a sell this week or you're expecting a buy? Because gold is very tricky. Me, I don't want to. I don't like analyzing gold for real. For real. If I'm doing analysis on gold, that means I'm taking with the fundamentals. But right now, let me see what the fundamentals says. Let's check what the fundamentals says. How many people are watching me live here? Let's check what the fundamentals says. Guys, I'm feeling very hungry. Should I pause here? How many people are watching me live? Feeling very hungry. So 2 people are watching me online. God bless you, okay? You guys are doing a great job. Now I'm checking from today is Monday 29th, 27th, right? To Friday. Yeah. Apply settings. Let's see. Now this week news is this. These are all these unique news. We are going to have Tuesday is going to be after tentative market on JPY, and it's going to reflect very strongly. So Tuesday I'm not going to trade on any JPY, but this week USD is strongly going to work on its own. Let's see, consumer consumer confidence. We have it over here. It is not a news, like this is a news, but it's not high news. Or it says actual greater than forecast and is good for currency. So that's what I really want to check. We have the Wednesday Australian dollar news, which is the CPI for the Australian dollar, actually good for currency. Yeah, good for currency. Actually greater than forecast, good for currency. This is what is going to happen. Good for currency, greater than forecast means that you have to check the fundamentals well. Sometimes too, you have to check from the previous news. So you check the previous news over here. The previous news says that it give us a sell. Give us a sell. The previous news give us a sell. So maybe this week we are going to expect a sell on this. Okay, high impact. This high impact news that I'm reading. So all the European, all this news sometimes bring a good deal. German Brilliant CPI. So this news sometimes bring a good buy to euro currencies. Sometimes, I didn't say always, I say sometimes. Sometimes what I've been witnessing last um sometimes it brings good buys to euro currency. So if you have euro, I'm not no euro do buys a lot with this kind of news. Sometimes like if the deal is okay, like deal is good, yeah, that's what you're going to do. So on the Wednesday too, we have USD, we have card BOC rate statement. Okay, BOC rate statement. It's a news and we don't know what is going to happen, but it says more hawkish than expected is good for currency. More hawkish than expected is good for currency. So hawkish means that bullish. When you mean bullish, we have hawkish, and we have bearish, and then we have the what do you call it? The dovish. So dovish is sell, hawkish is buy. So it means that we're going to have a strong buy in the market, but anything can happen. There's going to be a strong buy in the market, but remember, anything can happen. We have the federal fund rate and FOMC statement. It is a conference that's going to be held. So this conference, let's see, more hawkish than expected, good for currency. So that is what it ties with it matches with the fundamental and the technical market. Just like I said, when you check the technical aspect, I'm expecting a huge buy this week on some pair like BTC, some pair like BTC USD, some pair like um, GBP USD. I'm expecting buy here. AUD USD, I'm expecting buy here. GBP USD, I'm expecting buy here. Euro USD, I'm expecting buy here. NZD USD, I'm expecting buy here. What pair again haven't I talk about? Gold, I'm expecting buy in gold. Now this is my last 2 weeks trade I just did, and it matches very well, very very well. See what is happening very well. I was expecting sell, and it dropped as I just predicted. So this prediction was supposed to be on 4 hour time frame, but I did it on 1 day time frame. Now let me move this kind of trade over here, because this week I'm expecting a good buy. Expecting a good buy. Okay, I'm expecting a good buy. From the news, I'm expecting a good buy this week. Okay, from the news, I'm expecting a good buy this week. The reason why I haven't removed the yellowish folder, let me remove the yellowish folder. Make it very simple. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Filter, yeah. Come to filter with the yellowish folder. But sometimes I prefer them to be there, and then you have the feel of the market and see what is going to happen right away. So this is the bullish news that is going to happen right now. On the Friday, this Thursday, you have Thursday, Friday, coming, and then we have the why did I reach? 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 Unemployment claim, very interesting. Good, which is going to happen on Thursday. You know, less than so we are going to have actual less than forecast is good for currency. Thursday, I'm not saying this, but anything can happen. So on Thursday, we see what is going to happen right now. So this is just the technical fundamentals I've talked to you guys about. So how many hours have I spent so far?